Hi guys, today's teardown for you this airliner indicator. So it is a distance measuring instrument. Indicates 4 digits distance in nautical miles. There is a light sensor here, probably to dim the display, and we have a potentiometer here. Seems it is dual function, either dimming the display also or setting the range quite well. So the front plate is aluminium with 2 screws here. The item is 20 centimeters deep. On the back side we see the main connector, and it is an indicator DME, pass number 622-3776-002, made by Collins Avionics Division, subsidiary of Rockwell International, and of course Cedar Rapids, Iowa, USA. We have the weight here, but the serial number has been erased, not by me. Seems we had a 4 digits serial number, starting with a 1 maybe, and ending with a 4. This metal plate is attached with 2 screws. We have a quality stamp here. Okay, so I will now open it and we will have a look inside. So I did remove the screws from the cover, from the front plate also. But before I remove this cover, some things to notice. Here we have an inventor number from MBB. I believe it is a German company, so probably it was overhauled or something like this in Germany. We have 2 caution warning stickers here. Do no void guarantee. Service only in authorized instrument shops, and contains static sensitive parts. And here we have these 3 yellow arrows engraved into the case. I believe it means that the instrument was removed from service and is not intended to be reinstalled again. I have a few aircraft instruments with the same thing. Okay, so if I slide out this cover, just quite thick aluminium, folded aluminium. Nice, very nicely made in fact, because we cannot see any weld inside. So really, I don't know how they did make this, but quite impressive this one. It is a good 1 mm thick, and there is not any joint in fact in this. Quite impressive. Same at the back here. Okay, so on this side we have what seems to be some power supply stuff. We have round shielded transformer, as you can see. Fried Transformer Company Incorporated, with 26 volts 400 Hz at one side, and other side 26 volt 33 milliamperes, and 18 volts here 660 milliamperes. Some caps for a transistor made in Mexico, that code 1986. This must be a round IC trim pot. Some rectifiers. Here you can see the indicator front, the digital indicators. It seems they are socketed, so we will be able to remove them and add a look in them. Here is the frame of the instrument, and on the other side we have this PCB. So as you can see, It looks like, yes, all the wires from the used wire connector pins are wired to this PCB, and there is board, some kind of board-to-board connector here to connect this power supply section. So here are the chips on it. Everything is Texas Instruments or Motorola SN54 series. LM139 here, and all the others are SN54. They are, yes, all ceramic package, mil-spec ceramic. One trim pot here, some probably MCY 555G. So are they 555 timers in a round package? Should be interesting. Seems we have not much on the other side of the PCB except some caps. Here on the front side we have the this is the light sensor connection on the potentiometer, and now I should be able to remove this block of indicators because they are socketed. Yes, card edge connector, as you can see here. And look at this, we have now this small unit which is just attached to the front plate with two screws. And if I undo one side of it, we have slotted screws in here, in this going in this aluminum piece. And I guess we will have probably not LEDs but bulbs. It is very delicate. Yes, look at this. Tiny little bulbs. So it is intended to be quite more or less filled, repairable probably, because in fact if you remove this front plate and you pull on it, you unplug this, so you can do it without taking apart completely the instrument, it seems. So of course, if I take a light, do I have a light? Yes. And I shine here at the back, we will see the complete segment, the complete digit. And here is how it is on the other side. Some holes, and they are all ending in one of the segments. Quite interesting. Not sure how bright it is normally in a normal condition. These bulbs are very tiny and do not know the voltage, so and probably maybe some of them are already blown. Okay, so what else? You can see this front piece here is a quite serious die-cast metal, but the frame here is just a piece of bent aluminium, and must be quite delicate at this point because there is no, it is opened here, so it is just relying on the connector body to keep it straight. You can see this transformer, we have a screw at the end keeping it in place, and I guess it will be everything. So maybe in fact it is quite easy to remove this power supply section if there is a board-to-board connector. I did never do it previously. Maybe we will have a surprise, something unexpected. Yes, I can pull it, but there will be the wires keeping it. Oops, attached. Did it come off or not? In fact, yes. If I remove this transformer at the same time, the whole power supply section may come off. There is a pin here for the PCB, but it is just a centering pin. Yes, here we are. So here is the back side of it. Just the screws for the power transistor. We can see now the number of this IC, CA723T by RCA. A small metal can transformer with an application stamp here from 1986. And it is all here at the back, so you can see some big decoupling gaps. Probably, they seem to be probably ceramic multilayer, I should say, on the back of the PCB, with small wires here from the card edge connectors. Okay, so I will put this back together. Thanks for watching, bye bye.